Hey, this is Joel, just doing a quick little video of the 2003 WRX cold start, and by cold I mean it's like 15 degrees out here. It's been sitting for I think since last Friday, so at least 3 days. I haven't started it. 3 or 4 days. I'll show you the coolant temperature on the excess port after it starts up here. See, the gauges are all very cold at the moment. All right, access port. Yeah, so coolant temp 18 degrees, so it's about 18 degrees outside. Here we go, cold start. Kind of shaking because it's so cold out here. Anyway, that's a cold start. Coolant temp's already coming up. Drops down to a nice idle. I guess I'll pop the hood real quick. Listen to the exhaust for a second. There you have it, cold start.